Bird's just dropped in to try the normal hot cross bun. It's a little bit harder for her to eat. I don't think she quite likes it as much. All under the watchful eye of Lexi. Hey, Bird. Morning, Bird. I did try and cut the little pieces up for you, but I just don't think they're as nice as the apple and cinnamon, are they? No, she doesn't think so. She's gone off to have her morning tea up there. Well, she's still got a good selection. Haven't you, Bird? Always under the watchful eye of my gorgeous girls. Look at them there. In fact, they'll be wanting their treat soon. Anyway, enjoy your day.